my name's Megan Wright and I have been with the council since 2018, March 2018. I started as a Modern Apprentice, that's what I originally had applied for, and now I have happily made my way up to Housing Options Officer. I knew nothing about sort of the council or housing, but I just put myself out there and I thought, well, I'll apply and hopefully get an interview. Certainly wasn't something that I planned to do, and I certainly didn't think I'd still be here 5 years later, but I suppose that's just what happens when you enjoy a job and where you are.
My name's Drew Melloy, I'm a housing officer at the Lethem Housing Office and I've been with the council for 7 years. So I started off as a Modern Apprentice within the homeless team. Prior to leaving school, I kind of wasn't sure what route I wanted to go down. I'd obviously heard about positive stuff within the apprenticeships within the council, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity for me to get started off. Prior to starting, I didn't have much knowledge. Once I kind of started in my apprenticeship, it was quite clear that I picked up the experience and the knowledge quite quick, which obviously helped me progress within the council and look at other opportunities.
I knew sort of a small part of housing. I knew what social housing was. Like I knew when someone mentioned that the words. But yeah, definitely since starting, it's been an eye opener on how challenging, but also how good it can be as well to help people, especially in need. That you can see that right through the process, and what a great process it is.
So I think just being able to help people and see the change in people's life, so whether that's finding them suitable accommodation, supporting them within the mainstream tenancy with any support needs, requirements, making them feel part of the community as well. I think just being recognised and appreciated for the work that we do as well, so whether that's through tenants, whether that's through colleagues or other partners that we kind of work with. And every day I'm learning something new. Within housing you don't have the answers for everything, so it's you've got your colleagues to ask, you've got policies, procedures in place that you can follow. So I've learned a lot, but each day I'm kind of still learning new stuff.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend anyone who is interested in becoming a Modern Apprentice. I would recommend the Housing Options team in particular, not just because I'm there, but it is really worthwhile looking into. But we do have many different teams within housing. You're not just restricted to your one area of work. There is so many opportunities out there.
The good thing with the council is you get lots of opportunities, so there's always qualifications that you can undertake, shadowing opportunities, and plenty of opportunity to seek further progression within each role.